Hey guys, so I was right in the middle of this great video and I don't even know what happened. It just stopped recording. I don't know. So I'm going to put in this other apple cider in here. And while I thought the video was running, I was cutting up a Honeycrisp apple and a, what are these? The green ones, Granny Smith. So a nice tart apple and a nice sweet apple, and look at this is just gonna fit. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got the right container because it fits everything. In the meantime, my simple syrup is coming to a boil, which is great. So I'll bring you over here. And so this is come to a boil. I don't even really have to stir it because it's already dissolved. So I'm just going to turn it off and take it off the heat. And I'm going to put the cinnamon sticks in. And this is going to be so good. So the recipe called for 5 cinnamon sticks. Got 5 or 6 in there. And it already smells good. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the sangria. So in here we've got Cabernet Sauvignon and Cabernet Franc red wine. We've got apple cider, brandy, and Grand Marnier, and then orange slices, pear slices, and Granny Smith and Honeycrisp apple slices. So this is just about enough for 40 glasses of wine. And I'm going to let this sit in the fridge for a couple of days. I'm just going to cover it up and let it steep. And then I'll add the simple syrup, cinnamon simple syrup. That'll sit in the fridge also for a day or two. And then that will go straight in there. And it's going to be a fall sangria recipe. I'm so